Hi. So, I'm doing a little voiceover, not even for the whole thing, mostly just to talk about what I'm doing. I was really bored, so I decided to start coloring, I guess, a barn owl. I watched a video of two baby ones walking up to a guy and just, claiming his lap as their new home. And I decided, you know what? I like to practice, so I decided to just look up a barn owl on Pinterest. Pinterest is my friend, and just started coloring. I'm using Prismacolor colored pencils just because I don't want to deal with paint right now, just because it's a lot of stuff to get out. And a couple times I was trying to push it off, but I had to sharpen my pencil. And yeah, there's times where I'm going to be answering messages because I feel like I have to do that right away, but it doesn't last long, especially since this is sped up. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.